nothing worse than putting time and effort into a video that nobody then watches. So, what's the reason that nobody's watching? There are a few questions that we need to ask ourselves. The main ones being, do our customers know that they're going to get a video, and have we got the all-important contact information? The good news is there's a really easy way to remedy this. We can't force people to watch, but we can make it as easy as possible for them to remember.
Firstly, the customer experience may be different to the one they're used to with new contactless measures for the vehicle drop-off. Make sure you explain to the customer what they need to do and how you'll be maintaining hygiene standards in line with the latest government guidelines. A contactless meet and greet can be personable and warm. Plus, it's the perfect opportunity to ensure you have their correct contact details. Good data is key for your records and for the purposes of sending their video.
It's also a chance to advise them that they'll be receiving a video which includes important information. This hopefully means that the customer will be watchful during the day because they're expecting important communication. We can also sell them the benefits, but it's not that kind of selling. What we want to get across is the convenience for the customer. If a technician has discovered there's work, for example, the customer can approve it remotely and we can carry out the work much sooner. No call, no second visit. And it's not just one way either. The benefits to us as the service team are huge. This can save us countless hours having to explain work identified on a vehicle over the phone or in person. And the customer can watch the video as many times as they like. For people that respond to visual stimuli, this is so much better. And let's be honest, the quicker we can get the work done, the more customers we can help. Okay, heads up, this is a big one. How the customer receives the info is incredibly important. In a world of smart devices, although we can check email at the touch of a button, we sometimes have to do just that, touch a button. SMS, however, is much more immediate. Most people's phones will be set up to receive a notification if an SMS message comes through. We need to use this to our advantage. Ensuring that we have SMS enabled on our CitNOW app can halve the time it takes for the customer to watch the video. With the best will in the world and the best process, some customers may still take a while to watch a video. If there's a car in the workshop that's awaiting the all-important approval, it's best to phone the customer within 20 to 30 minutes of having sent the video. This can act as a gentle reminder. For every video we create and send, this is all about teamwork. The folks at CitNOW love a bit of teamwork, and the best retailers have great processes and teams. So with video, yes, the technicians will create the videos, but the service advisors will be handling the communication. This way, the customer will be kept informed. We should collect their contact details as well as quality assure the content in the video.
With video, we can communicate to customers the standards being exercised around hygiene methods to stay in keeping with government guidelines. For example, we can show that vehicles have been sanitised after being worked on and explain any general measures. For example, where to enter the building to help with social distancing.
And there you have it, a few little tips to get our customers watching the videos that will help both us and them. As we discussed earlier, we can't make people watch them, no matter how much we want to. By following these quick and easy steps though, we vastly improve our processes.